My story is not unique. It's not special. I am just a regular person who was just kind of fed up with what kind of life I was living, and I just tried. I just tried. I was just a young guy just like slinging food out the kitchen with little to no forethought in the future. I almost kind of trapped myself into the industry thinking that I wasn't capable of doing anything else. My pay kept going down, my hours kept going up. I was like, I need to get something going here. I was always the sharp knife guy in every kitchen. Like someone was like, I'm cutting chives, they'll like holler at my knife, see if they could borrow it. The use of like a nice knife in your hand cutting through the food is very satisfying to me. First step was hit up the homies and see if they needed their knife sharpened. I had like a nice, like 20 knives for my first order.
Thanks, brother.
It's very empowering to be able to see, wow, there's potential here. I realize I'm never gonna work for somebody else again. My business is Moshi Moshi Knife Sharpening. We make things very sharp.